In this video, I'll show you how to fix get voice chat option missing in Roblox. So open up your Roblox now. So if you tap on this, you're going to be able to see the voice data usage instead of the voice chat. So this is what it's going to show. Voice data for product improvement instead of enable microphone for voice chat. I'll show you what you need to do. Now what you need to do, go to account info. Go to add phone number. So if you love to know where this is coming from, you need to know if your country is currently supported to have the option turned on. So tap on this +1. Come on here and know if your country is currently supported. So these are the currently supported countries. So you can see all of them. So if your country is here, that is a good one for you. You can be able to come on here, add your phone number, verify. Once you have verified, you're going to be able to go back here and you're going to be able to see the voice chat option here instead of voice data usage. So if you have followed what I've showed you, you're going to be able to see the voice chat, not the voice data. I'll see you on the very next video.